students, today we'll study about the subclass Prototheria. So the class Mammalia is divided into two subclasses. The first one is Prototheria and the second class is Theria. So talking about the subclass Prototheria, it consists of all the primitive egg-laying mammals, that is the mammals that lays eggs, and also belongs to the order Monotremata, or also known as Ornithodelphia. They consist of features that are common with Sauropsida, that includes the reptiles and birds features. Talking about their distinctive characters and their starting with their distribution, they are mostly restricted to the Australian region, including Australia, Tasmania, and other neighboring islands. And talking about their habit and habitat, they are aquatic as well as terrestrial. They show boreal habitat, and they are mainly insectivorous and nocturnal. That is, they are active during the night time. They are air breathers and incompletely warm blooded. They are oviparous, that is, egg-laying mammals. Talking about their external features, their body is small and is mostly covered with the hairs and spines, and their snout produces the beak. Their external ears are absent or inconspicuous. Tail may present or may not be, that is, it can be absent, and mammary glands are without teeth or nipples. A temporary mammalian mammary pouch, which is equivalent to teats, develops during the breeding season on the abdomen of female. Their exoskeleton includes or consists of epidermal horny hairs, spines, beaks, and claws, and their skin is glandular. Their body is divided by a mammalian diaphragm into anterior thoracic and posterior abdominal cavity. Talking about their digestive system, their teeth develop only in the case of embryos. That is, we can see teeth only in the during the embryonic stage, whereas in the adults, it's get replaced by the horny beak. And their respiration includes pulmonary respiration, which is by the lungs. Their heart is four chambered, but the right auriculoventricular valve is incomplete and is somewhat fleshy, and the right valve is tricuspid and not bicuspid, as we can see in other higher mammals. RBC is small, circular, and is non nucleated, and the body temperature is variable, that is, it lies between 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Their kidneys are metanephric, and talking about the nervous system, the brain is somewhat small, simple, and is without corpus callosum. Optic lobes are four, that is, four optic lobes are present. In the case of male, the testes are abdominal and penis is retractile, that passes out the sperms but not the urine. And female, in case of female, the right ovary is somewhat reduced and there are no uterus and vagina found in the female. Talking about their development, so the female are oviparous, as we know, and the eggs are large and which consist of a considerable amount of yolk and plastic shields. The cleavage is meroblastic, and the newly hatched young ones are very immature. They fed on the milk in the abdominal pouch until they are fully developed. So these were some of the distinctive characteristics of Prototheria.